On June 21, the Earth is so located on its orbit that the north polar end of its axis leans at the maximum angles of 23.5 degrees towards the sun. That is, the Tropic of Cancer receives the vertical rays of the sun. This situation is called summer solstice. The longest day in the northern hemisphere at this time, the North Poles experience a continuous day and the North Poles has a continuous night. At any given time, the light from the sun will be covering only off and the globe, and when the sunrise or vertical covers the Tropic of Cancer, only the areas to the north of the Antarctic circles in the northern hemisphere will be illuminated, or the sunrise will not reach the South Pole. On 22nd December, the Earth is in an equivalent but opposite position in its orbit. That is, the Tropic of Capricorn receives the vertical rays on the sun. This condition is the winter solstice. The longest day in the northern hemisphere and this time of the North Pole experience to continuous night and the South Pole has continuous day. Since the inclination of the Earth axis is only 23.5 degrees from the vertical, the sunrise can be vertical only up to two tropics. Sun rays can never be vertical behind 23 and of north and south. Yes, midway between the two solstices occurs the equinoxes when the earth axis makes a 90-degree angle with the line drawn to the sun. That is, the equator receives the vertical rays of the sun and day and night are equal all over the world. The vernal or the spring equinox occurs on March 21st and the autumnal equinox on September 23. The seasons in the two hemispheres are reverse of each other. That is, when it is summer in the north hemisphere, it is winter in the southern and vice versa. Day and night are equal at the equator at the time. At the time of equinox, the day and night are equal all over the world. The longer than 24 hours day and night are possible only beyond the polar circles. The North Poles experience a continuous day at the time of summer solstice, while it is continuous night at the South Pole. This situation reverses at the time of winter solstice, when the South Pole experiences a continuous day and the North Pole a continuous night. The reason is the northern and southern hemisphere as reverse of each other. Yes. Next one is local and standard time and the international dateline. When the sun is overhead at the given meridian, it is 12 noon for all places situated at the meridian. This is called the local time and it varies from one place to the another. The earth completes one rotation of 360 degrees in 24 hours. Therefore, the time required for the 1 degree longitude rotation of the earth is 4 minutes. Since the earth rotates on its axis from west to east, a place situated to the west of the given place will experience the overhead sun later, and the time of this place will be behind the time of the place situated eastwards of it. The time differs from one place to another at the rate of 4 minutes per degree of longitude. All places eastwards from a reference point have a time ahead, and all places westwards of it have a time behind. And next one, standard times refers to an area. Example, a country. It is the time of a centralized located maritime